My name is Ovidiu Bucătaru. I am the financial manager of the Serban Holding Group. The Serban Holding Group farms 12,000 hectares in the northeast of Romania, more precisely in the south of Moldova, from the Carpathians to the River Prut in the counties Bacău, Vaslui and Vranca. We have been working with HORSCH for years, i.e. we have a lot of HORSCH machines. Behind me you can see a machine we have been working with since last spring, a HORSCH Maestro 18 SV, a seed drill with 18 rows. It is our second HORSCH seed drill of this size. 3 years ago we encountered such a machine for the first time, and we immediately understood that we need state-of-the-art technology, i.e. high-performance seed drills that allow for high operational speeds and utmost precision at the same time, because the balance between speed and output is extremely important. We used the solution offered by HORSCH, and with the Maestro, we managed to increase our sowing output by 25%. On average, we sow 1,500 hectares with this seed drill. The operational reliability guarantees that the machine always works reliably when we need it. In this respect, mechanical wear plays a major role, as in our region we have to work on very diverse soils. We also use the machine for the conversion from minimum tillage to direct seed. Today, the Serban Holding Group farms about 85% of the 7,000 hectares in the Vaslui county, 6,000 of which in direct seed. We successfully use the HORSCH machines, in this case the Maestros, for sowing into stubbles. In our test, we were able to show that state-of-the-art technology is reflected in the yield, with a surplus in yield of 11% in 5 years. After all, it is all about increasing efficiency. And if we talk about efficiency, we have to keep an eye on the output of our direct seed strategy. At the same time, it is important to focus on the reduction of the costs. This also includes wear. Wear means maintenance, maintenance means parts, parts mean costs. We managed to reduce all this with our HORSCH machines. Per unitatea de produs obținută. Cifrele pe care ne-am uitat ne arată că reușim un aproximativ 9% față de sistemul anterior. Also part of this are the lower fuel costs per product unit. The figures show that we managed to reduce the costs by 9% compared to our previous system. Our strategy for the conversion from minimum tillage to direct seed was a year-round covering of the soil, as well as a diversification of the rotation and as little mechanical intervention as possible. And the technical solutions of the HORSCH Maestro 18 SV allow for carrying out the conversion faster and more efficiently, as with this seed drill we can diversify our crop rotation by introducing 2 new crops, barley and sorghum. I would like to point out sorghum in particular. Due to the technical modifications we made, we were able to achieve yields of more than 6,000 kilograms per hectare, although sorghum is a niche crop we only introduced last year. In the cultivation year 2020-2021, we were the second largest producer of sorghum in Romania, with a market share of 15%. What I particularly like about HORSCH in general, and about the Maestro 18 SV in particular, is that the machine can be transported normally, without any oversized solutions that would considerably affect our mobility, because we have to cover a radius of 100 kilometers with the machine. HORSCH is a partner who provides us with the most current technology, which is always one step ahead of the competitors and of the farmers around us. And it allows for generating and capitalizing a large part of the profits here in Moldova, in the Vaslui county.